Okay, so here's your directions on the annotated bibliography. Before you do this though, make sure that you have written a thesis statement. So you want to make sure you pick your prompt. So this is directions on writing a thesis statement. And then this is on selecting a research topic. So you may select a research topic from this link. There's like 400 prompts. So yeah, you should already have that done. Okay, coming back over here, I'm just going to click next, next. Okay, so this is a rough draft version of your assignment. It's going to look better, but you want to click on this, and then it'll ask you to make a copy. So you make a copy, and then it'll look like this. So you can also click here to see an example. I will show you the example here. But here, anyway, here's the template. So you put your prompt that you picked here, you put your thesis statement here, you should already have that done. Then you want to go do your research. So you want to come back over here, click on the All Things Researching Guide, and this is to help you do your research. So like, let's say for my topic, let's say I'm doing healthcare. So I decide to research Utah's online library. So I'm going to click here, go to Utah's online library, and then I'm going to click here. And then if at this point you're stuck and you're like, oh, I don't know where to go from here, like click Yell. And then you can come back over here and watch this video on how to use Yell to help you find your article. I am just going to go find an article right now. So I'm going to put healthcare, reshaping healthcare in India. Clearly, you obviously need to pick an article that's more closely related to what you're going to do, and you want to make sure it passes the CRAP test and that you can actually use it for this assignment. But I'm just like giving you an example. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to highlight that, Control C, and then I'm going to just come over here and go Control V, and there's my source citation. So that's what's go there. And then right here, you just start filling it in. So you write your summary here. Right here, you assess the source, like CRAP test and bias. What makes it reliable and useful? Does it avoid bias? Where's the bias? How does the author's intent influence the information? Then in the third paragraph of your annotation, analyze the strengths and weaknesses of your source. How will the strengths help you? What will you do about the weaknesses? Consider what you know about logical fallacies and pathos, ethos, and logos. And then down here, you just like keep on going. So you have to do 3 articles, and you just delete as you go. So you use this format. And then this is how you'll be graded. Just like student includes only the most important information. Student draws multiple connections between the information and the thesis topic to demonstrate relevance. So that's like a C. This is a D. Student can find and summarize the information. Student includes appropriate source citations. To get a B, you have to follow all the directions, and you also have to explain why the information is reliable, credible, and biased or not, and how it can help you. You actually also have to analyze the strengths and weaknesses. And then to get an A, you just have to explain how you're going to use the information to develop your argument. So as an example, you can click here. This is probably an A-. I don't think I do like an amazing job in explaining how I would use my information to develop my argument, but you can just see an example. So this annotated bibliography is pretty in-depth, actually, but it's really good to demonstrate your critical thinking skills. So this is what we're doing instead of a full-on research paper. So hopefully you picked a topic that you enjoy, and hopefully you enjoy researching this. So let me know if you have any questions. I am happy to meet with any of you on Fridays over Zoom or whatever you need to. So anyway, let me know. Thanks.